I'm gonna try something a little bit different with these scraps. I'm going to start with this maple board, take this white oak, slice it up to the same thickness. I'm gonna take this walnut, slice it up into multiple pieces. I'm gonna take this cherry, this piece of cherry right here, same thing, slice it up, get down to nice pieces here. And then I'm going to combine them into an ingrain scrap wood cutting board. All those species are fine for ingrain: maple, walnut, cherry, and white oak. So this will look pretty neat when I'm done with it. Check this out.